Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2176 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your electronic throttle control system. And if left unresolved, it can cause poor acceleration, rough idle, and even force your vehicle into limp mode. What does P2176 mean? P2176 stands for Throttle Actuator Control System, idle position not learned. In simple words, the ECU has lost or cannot determine the correct idle position of the throttle body. The electronic throttle body must know its exact idle position to control engine speed properly. When this position is not learned correctly, the engine may not idle as intended, and the ECU may limit vehicle performance to prevent further problems. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2176, you may notice: check engine light on, rough or unstable idle, engine stalling, poor throttle response, reduced engine power, vehicle entering limp mode, hard starting, and sometimes fluctuating engine RPM while idling. In many cases, the vehicle may feel normal at first but develop idle problems after startup. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The throttle body is located between the air intake tube and the intake manifold. The throttle actuator motor and throttle position sensors are usually built into the throttle body assembly. The wiring harness connects the throttle body directly to the ECU. This area is exposed to heat, vibration, moisture, and carbon buildup over time. The most common causes of P2176 include dirty throttle body carbon buildup, faulty throttle actuator, weak battery voltage, disconnected battery memory loss, damaged wiring harness, faulty throttle position sensor, or ECU issues. In rare cases, many times, this code appears after throttle body cleaning, battery replacement, or throttle body replacement without performing a relearn procedure. Quick diagnosis: start by inspecting the throttle body for carbon buildup. Check all electrical connectors and wiring. Verify battery voltage is within specifications. Use a scan tool to monitor throttle position data. Look for any additional throttle-related trouble codes, and determine whether a throttle relearn procedure is required. How to fix P2176. Clean the throttle body if dirty, repair damaged wiring. Charge or replace a weak battery if necessary. Perform a throttle body relearn procedure. Replace the throttle body if testing confirms failure. Clear the code and perform a complete road test. Final result: fixing P2176 will restore proper idle control, improve throttle response, eliminate limp mode conditions, and help your vehicle run smoothly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage, and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.